Now, you don't need better leads. You need sharper teeth. Hi, I'm Mark Davis, and they don't call me Mad Dog because I bark loud. They call me that because my bite matches my bark. Now, I've been in this game for 25 years. Final expense for the last 7. The system that I built, I didn't borrow it. I created it from scratch, and I've used it from day one and mastered it to the point where now I'm teaching agents how to change the trajectory of their business. Most trainings, they give you a few lines, a script, and then they call it a day. I'm not here to hand you words. You can't learn confidence and conviction from a printed script. That's my method. And it's what you'll learn on this channel. I still sell, I still close, and I train agents every single day to do the same. So if you're tired of weak training, fluff-filled coaching, and getting hung up on by seniors, you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button, because I'm about to show you what it really means to close like a mad dog.